Hi, it's Excursionist Dave Tenerife here in Puerto Colón, which is located between Costa Rica and Las Americas. Today we're here because we're going to be doing a boat trip. Now most of you know that Puerto Colón has got all of the activities. You've got jet skis, you've got your boat trips, there's a lot of things that leave from here, and obviously it's the closest one to our office, so we tend to use this area for most of our trips. It is a busy little port, but today we're actually going on the Gulliver, which is known as the Fun Yacht. And the reason it's called the Fun Yacht is because it's got a slide on the side. It's one of the only boats that I know in the Canary Islands that has a slide. It also has kayaking available on board. There's also something called the Sea Bob, which is an underwater scooter. There's snorkeling available, stand-up paddle boarding, and also a bike that goes on the water. Now, it's worth noting that obviously there are lots and lots of different boat trips here in the south of Tenerife, so it's good to speak to whoever you're getting your excursion from so they can get the right boat for you, whether it's a big boat that you want or a smaller boat, private or shared. So with the Gulliver, they do a 4-hour trip. This is normally a private charter boat, but they do occasionally do shared ones where you can go on just with 2 people or 3 people, but there will be other people on there. Maximum 12 people, so if you've got a group of friends or a family and you're looking to do something exciting, something different, then this looks really good. So we're going to go on board today and take a look and see what it's all about. So let's get on board and check it out.